Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm Beth and this is my sister Krista.
Hi.
And today we are wearing pink again for the monthly budget box from p.louise, but it's blue.
Isn't it a beautiful shade of
blue? It's blue for December.
Or November.
Oh yeah, this is the November box, but it comes in December. It's always, it's themed for the month you get it in, but this is technically the November box. So this is the blue box for November that we got in December. And we just did the filming for the p.louise advent calendar, which is a train. This is a suitcase.
And look, you can see like the buckles for straps for the suitcase. It says you're invited to sleigh over, so like a sleepover bag with p.louise destination dreams. All kinds of wonderful things on the box.
So let's dig in. I got a message on the p.louise Instagram that she put out to everybody around Christmas that she's going to stop doing the mystery boxes because people either didn't like the theme color or different things. I really hope she changes her mind and continues to do it, because that's the point of a mystery box. If anybody's complaining about it, don't. It's a mystery. It's a grab bag. You get wonderful things, and if they're not your favorite color, gift them to somebody else.
I know we've always loved them. Even, you know, it didn't matter what we got in it. We loved everything. So yes, please bring back the mystery boxes. Yes. So for November,
it's all blue.
It's, I can't wait. I already watched spoilers like 3 times on this box, and I've like been sitting on the edge of my seat waiting for it to get here.
And it came today.
So
she's going to just start off with a big kahuna.
People, look at this. This is what I've been waiting for.
And this box, I forgot to say, is, what is it, $39? $39, $40 plus shipping. We usually pay $53, $54 with shipping, depending on the conversion at that time. So
it's so worth the box. People, sign up. And this is my Frosty Fairy Tale. Y'all see this? Look at this. It looks like a spiral notebook.
A storybook.
A storybook. Mirror, mirror on the wall, I promise myself I'll achieve it all. Oh, yes.
So inspiring.
Look
oh my gosh,
at this face palette. OMG.
It's got eye colors and highlighters and everything.
This is stunning. I've been waiting for this. It is so much prettier in person. Look at those blues and those silvers and the browns and the little bit of purple in there. And the frosty colors.
If you go to the website, there's, well, not the website. If you go to her Instagram or TikTok, there's videos of them swatching these colors.
They put like Christmas bells, Christmas candles, Christmas ornaments, Christmas presents, all embossed in the print of these things.
They're amazing. So this isn't even everything that's in the box. This could have been everything that was in the box.
I would have been totally happy with
it. You know this palette, it costs more than $39 on the website.
It's like,
would be shocked.
I'm like, yeah, I would have been totally psyched.
There are still 5 things in this box.
She went over the top. p.louise, you're amazing. Your company is amazing.
I think we got okay, so in November, if you placed an order, any order got a free mini lip gloss. And we got an extra. We did get a box in November that we ordered, a mini mystery box, and we got one, and now we have another little tiny one.
Oh, that's so cool.
I did not expect that in the budget box. She did not have to do that.
No, now we each get one in our purse to have on the go. A smaller version of the big ones. Oh,
that's awesome. Okay, the next thing I'm pulling out is this is the one that's the lip gloss.
Oh yeah, this is this plus the tube.
This is the large size. Okay, so this one I think is going to be the crown lip gloss and a lip balm.
Or it's going to be the lip balm and the
lip scrub. I always forget.
Not lip scrub, but the other lip oil.
Yeah. I'm trying to get the plastic off.
Which this is lip oil, sorry. Lip oil.
I think the plastic wrap is new, which is fine.
I like it.
Yeah, it's nice. I just have to get...
What flavor is it?
This one is Frosted Kisses.
Ooh, I want to see what it smells like. So yeah, this is the full size.
Oh, they're actually in boxes now.
They are always in boxes.
Are they? Oh, it's blue.
And it's silver on their crown instead of gold. Like this one has gold on it, and most of them are gold, but this is blue, so it's silver.
And this is the lip balm with oil.
Oh,
which one is this one, the oil or the balm?
That's the balm, and this is the oil.
What does it smell like?
Oh.
Ooh, it's like vanilla and fruity.
Yes. Oh, yes.
And this will have the same smell, and it's got an applicator. Love.
Love, 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 love.
So even though this is one box, it technically counts as 2 products. They're sold this way, but you get 2 products. But you can also buy, I think, these things separately.
So next item out of the box, and I think this is another
Setting spray?
Setting spray, I think. It was a hydrating spray.
Oh, okay, so it's not a setting
this is
spray.
new. It's not a setting spray. It's a hydrating spray to spray on your face to give you like a refresher if you're feeling kind of dry, which is amazing for the winter months and dry skin. And it's blue and frosty looking.
It's all blue and frosty. All right, the next item, which is not the last item, I'm going to say this is a primer. Yeah, this is a primer. So we have another p.louise primer, which we both used and really enjoy.
Woohoo.
And they're a gel primer, so it's like a clear gel. This might be
this
a
one is
gel.
this one's the clear one I had was a creamy one, but I've seen the videos. And
I have a clear one in my room.
Yeah, that's a clear one, but the one I had previously wasn't a gel. So this is
I had
exciting.
one a gel, but this particular style is the gel.
So
Last thing, I forgot what this one is.
Frozen Blush.
I'm guessing that might be blushes. I really don't remember what's in this.
Incredible. I was been like, you have no idea. Every week Beth is it coming? Did you check the shipping?
Yeah.
Did it leave the UK yet? I've been like psyched to get
we
this.
get
box.
OCD about p.louise shipping.
Yes. Look, I like the bow.
So pretty.
Oh,
What is it?
sorry. Look at the snowflakes in the bow.
It is blushes.
Some blush, that's what I thought it was. So we've got a full face. We've got the other one.
Oh,
I mean, look, you've got the blushes. We've got the eyeshadows, the highlighters.
everything.
Everything.
Well, not everything, but if you watch the advent calendar opening, we have everything.
This, and I love the blue.
It's beautiful. So all the things we got in this box
It's incredible. Look at this, people.
for, again, with shipping, we paid $53.
And the free plus the free item. Like wow, people. Yes.
Love.
Love
Another
you.
great box. And
love
not
everything.
every box is a hit out of the park. We've said that before, but the ones that are, I love even the ones that are not hits out of the park. Everyone's a win. Some of them are big wins.
I love all of them, and some of them go over the top where others are just great.
Yes.
And then they go super great.
This one was super great.
Over the top, amazing.
It was the November box last year, I think, that had the full complete
Yes.
brush set. That was like a $250 brush set. You never know what you're going to get. Sorry the dogs are barking. There's activity happening. But love this box. If you enjoy going through this one with us, I would love for you to hit subscribe and join my YouTube family. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you don't want to miss out on future uploads, hit that notifications bell. For today from Beth and Krista, have a great rest of your day.
Bye.
Bye.